Christmas, everybody. It is Christmas Eve, and in 2020 fashion, it's raining.
We know that 2020 has been a really hard year for everybody, including us. We totally miss traveling and are tired of being cooped up in our house. And Christmas is going to be difficult for a lot of people around the world. A lot of our traditions have changed. Hopefully you found a way to make some new fun traditions. But in honor of all of our favorite things Christmas, we wanted to show you what a typical Christmas looks like for us.
Yeah, so we put together a little montage of some of the special stuff that we did leading up to Christmas in the days before last year, back when it was a little bit more normal. We hope you enjoy. So the Magic Kingdom, we just went through the parking and we parked and took a little tram to the front. But they drop you off at not the entrance to the park. You have to then take either the ferry boat or the monorail. We're gonna do the ferry boat. Come.
My family enjoys our holiday meal on Christmas Eve. So I am Italian, and the tradition there is 7 fishes, 7 different dishes that have fish in them. However, I don't really like fish, so we've modified ours a little bit. We do shrimp scampi, and then lasagna and stuffed peppers.
Merry Christmas morning.
Merry Christmas. Happy morning. Santa Claus was here. Oh, take that shower first.
Oh my gosh.
It's Christmas! Christmas morning is one of my favorite days of the whole year. Whether we have 2 presents or 200 presents under the tree, we take literally all day to open them. We're here in Panama City Beach, Florida, northwest coast of Florida. This is where I'm from. We're here celebrating Christmas.
Beautiful day. We thought it'd be a little colder out, but it's actually kind of warm. Enjoying the pier and the beach.
I was dreaming of a white Christmas, but we're getting a different type of white Christmas. What did Mrs. Claus say when she looked through the window?
What?
Looks like rain, dear.
What are you waiting for? Come on over. For a small fee, Zoltar will give you a wealth of wisdom.
Your fortune. You tend to look for what you want, but it is oftentimes not what you need. Instant gratification is tempting, but it doesn't always lead to long-term happiness. Try resisting human nature by looking beyond the luster of getting what you want right away. Have the patience to invest in something that you need, and you will reap lasting benefits. Zoltar speaks. This video was brought to you by Blockbuster and Radio Shack.